Hello everyone and welcome back to TradeGym. So the expiry is over and we have expired marginally above 22,900, and I'll show you what we have done over there. So this morning I was live while we were trading, and I was hoping this move, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to be a corrective move. I mean, after this down move, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it was even trading below the 61% retracement level. So I was hoping that this was just a corrective move and we would eventually come down, but that happened. But that didn't happen. This level का सोचा था. I was hoping that we will expire somewhere around 20 to 600, but didn't happen that way. So we came down and then we started to take support at the levels of 20 to 700, and then we again went up. So I had shorted 20 to 900 यहाँ पे कहीं पे, and it was mostly positive, but ये जो move आई in the end, this was due to SBI. If you see SBI, I don't know why went crazy just for like 10 minutes. जिसकी वजह से कुछ stops hit हुए 22,800 के, but that is fine. And फिर eventually this was the point where there was some resistance अगर आप ये channel बनाओगे. So I was hoping that it will not go above this because I was thinking to exit my 22,900s above this, but it didn't go above that and we came down. So जैसे यहाँ पे 3-5 के आसपास we made a low of 22,800 back again, and if you see 22,900 was around 3 rupees at that time. I squared off my position. I'll just show it to you. So what exactly I'm talking here about is that एक नई चीज़ है जो I'll tell you guys today, which is that average closing. So if you see that futures have expired at 975, and if you see the last traded price of Bank Nifty is 954, right? So if you go as per the theory, this should be around 50 right now because it is 54, but it is just 7. So this is where average closing comes in. Sometimes what happens is कि no matter आपका last traded price क्या है, आपका closing price differ करेगा उससे. So since the closing price differs, and if the options are not going in sync with your index, then it means that the closing price would eventually come down. So यहाँ पे I have a personal WhatsApp group जिसमें I mentioned that this could be a zero to hero sort of a call at around 3 when I covered it, and then it from 3 rupees it went up to 30 rupees. It went 10 times, and then I was still hoping that it will go up around 50 because at that time Bank Nifty was trading, if you see, it was trading 980. But then when it didn't go up, I understood that this was just going to come down because average closing ये लोग नीचे करा देंगे somehow, and that is the reason, and that is how this thing happens. So if we see the net positions today, so we've made a decent amount, around 4k on a capital of 40, so which is around 10k, 10%. And if you see, I had just sold this 22,900 and I covered that at 270 or something, around 3, you know, 37. उसके बाद ही मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि वो ज़ीरो टू हीरो कॉल हो सकता था. So these things happen sometimes in expiry. आज जो हुआ, that was probably so that punters can short 22,900 and make some good. I mean, they got good returns obviously. And 23. So this is where choosing the strike price plays a very important role. If you see 23,000, 23,000 ने बस एक लास्ट टाइम मारा था and उसके बाद it didn't go up, right? So if you are a little bit conservative, you should go for, if you're going for say X strike price, then you should go for X plus 100. That way you'll just be safe and you'll have a good buffer. So that is it pretty much. As of now, the market looks to me in a very choppy range. Probably we can have a trending day tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then I think we'll be range bound for some time. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see what it does. Happy trading, all of you. See you soon.